Hey, morning everyone. I am outside a Baltus gas station here in central Wisconsin. I'm gonna wash my car because it is just filth. One thing about Wisconsin, you will know they spread a lot of salt for good reason, safety measures, but sometimes you definitely need to take the time and get your vehicle washed so it looks good. So let's take a look at this car wash to the rear of me and let's see how well it does. Well, here we are.
Please insert your credit card in the reader below.
45 back in, sharp.
You see the reader, anybody? Oh, there is the reader. Get out. Look at that.
Please select your wash package.
Definitely gonna have to do the gold and see what this is all about. Authorize the gold.
Please take your receipt.
What was that?
All right, here we go. I'm in the car wash right now and I'm getting some footage of the actual car wash taking place. You know, one thing I always struggle with is getting sometimes some good B-roll. And since getting a second camera, I actually just got the G9, Lumix G9, I've been able to really increase the amount of B-roll that I'm getting. So here's what I have set up here. These GorillaPods are pretty awesome. As you can see, I actually have them mounted to my steering wheel, and then I have my G9 sitting here looking at the footage. Great car wash done in a great local business here in Marshfield, Baltus. Come on, check them out. They got some great car washes. I'm gonna head to work now. Car's washed. Headed for breakfast. Probably just coffee today. Got a cannon forum going on. So we just finished coffee. I'm actually now at the community center here. We're going to be a forum, a mayor forum, as I was telling you, and I'm with Steve. Steve, tell me about what you got going on here, Steve.
We are going to be live streaming, so we have 2 cameras set up, and we're going to be giving you a live feed on Facebook.
And what is the filming event that we're filming?
It is the Senior Center Mayor Forum.
And why do you think it's important that we cover these types of events?
Because I think it gives an opportunity for people that can't make it to the event themselves to see their 3 candidates for mayor up close and hear them answer questions from the public.
And do we take a party angle, or are we just here to catch the raw footage?
We are 100% nonpartisan. We just broadcast what the people say.
And I'm going to back that up a little bit because I'm a strong conservative and he's a strong liberal, and we actually lived together for a period of time, and it was quite entertaining. I will say my half of the house.
Don't go there.
We won't go there. So anyway, that's what we got going on now. Are you the one running this?
No, Don actually is going to. No, we're not.
Why? You're in the public eye. Yeah, you guys want a picture together?
Sure, we can do a picture together.
Okay, hold on.
Kelly Cassidy at the 2nd Street Community Center in the Durandal Room. I work for the Parks and Recreation Department, so am involved with it through that through our office.
And throughout the month, there's different programs that take place here?
Well, currently right now the seniors are the main activity that's here just because of the fact we've just opened, and I had quite a bit of vacation in January. So, but we will start to be holding arts and crafts classes. Our intent is we do currently right now have quite a few exercise classes downstairs. We just started a Zumba Gold downstairs. We did have over at the senior center Tai Chi and arthritis exercise. So those both are being held here for the seniors as well.
How do you get the word out about these different activities that are taking place?
We do website. We have a monthly calendar for the seniors. We also do press releases, Facebook, cable TV.
What's the event that's taking place here today?
We have a mayoral forum that's going to take place here today with the 3 candidates. And what they're doing is the seniors are first having a brunch, and then we always have a speaker afterwards. And we have chosen to have the 3 candidates come today and speak to the seniors.
And why do you think that's important?
I think they vote. They need to have the chance to see and hear them speak. The evening one that was provided is great, but seniors don't like to drive at night. They don't usually go out. So this provides another choice for them to be able to see it.
This is Brianna. Brianna's our fearless leader. If you don't talk, it gives me more reason to use the footage.
What do you want me to say?
How amazing your boss is, how you're excited to come to work on Fridays.
I'm really excited about the... I just read.
Ooh, we're out of focus. There, we're back in. You were just talking so nice about the footage. You get camera shy.
Oh.
She gets camera shy.
Yes.
I am starting to become a friend of the camera.
I'll stay behind it.
Okay.